Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Poppy Anggreni, class MNG 20C, MPM 20C 4111025. On this action, I will present material on the pricing strategy in the service marketing management, which is part of chapter 6. Pricing in one of the most crucial elements in the service marketing because it can influence customer perception, business competitiveness, and of course company profitability. Therefore, understanding pricing strategy is crucial to ensuring the service offered provides the best value to customer while remaining profitable for the company. Let's get started. Okay, the last slide one introducing to pricing strategy. First, let's move on to other introduction of pricing strategy. In the service marketing, pricing is just not about covering costs, but also about how they shape consumer perception of service quality. Price is an indicator of value for customer, so setting the right price will help increase satisfaction, maintain loyalty, and maintain our positive in the market. Therefore, companies need to understand the value approach to pricing to adapt to market conditions and customer needs. Okay, the next, cost plus pricing. The first strategy is cost plus pricing. In this method, a company calculates all costs incurred to profit and service and then adds the contained profit margin as profit. This strategy ensures that company does not incur loss because all costs are covered. However, this method has the disadvantage of not taking into account market demand and perceived customer value. This can lead to uncompetitive price or pricing that don't reflect the quality of service. Value-based pricing. Next is value-based pricing. This is strategy that focus on customer perceived value. This means that prices are determined not by production cost but by present value of the excess to which customer price the service to be beneficial to them. When customer perceive a service as providing significant value, they are more willing to pay a higher price. The system in particularly will switch to premium service such as consulting, professional education, or health care. The effect of this method increase customer satisfaction and loyalty as customers feel their payment is commensurate with the benefit they receive. Competition-based pricing. Next, there's competition-based pricing. In this strategy, price are determined based on what competitors are covering. This approach is the commonly used in the highly competitive market, where the product or service offered are highly similar. The advantage is that the company can remain relevant and competitive in the market. However, in this strategy also requires companies to constantly monitor competitor price. Each other company follows the market to closely without considering internal costs. Profit margin can decline. Therefore, this strategy must be implemented with caution. The next strategy is dynamic pricing. Dynamic pricing means price can change based on market demand, time, customer behavior, or specific situation. The most vivid examples are found in the airline, hotel, and online transportation industry, like motorcycles, taxi, and online taxi. When the demand increases, price automatically reach. When the demand decreases, price fall. This strategy helps companies maximize revenues by flexibility adjusting price. Psychology, pricing, and banding. Next are two other important approaches, namely psycho- psychological pricing and the building service. Psychological pricing asks customer psychology to influence purchasing discussion. The most popular expressed in the assess for price like uh, 999 rupiah or 29 and 000 rupiah. Psychological success price appear much cheaper the round number when if the difference is small. Manual bonding service in the strategy where several services are combined into one paycheck and lower price that broadcast value for customer but also constrains them to price more service other ones stability increasing company revenue. Conclusion. In the conclusion, variant pricing strategy in service marketing have their own advantage and challenge. Cons plus make an access for companies to cover cost, value based, emphasis customer value, competitive base, keep business relevant, dynamic pricing helps maximize revenues, while physical pricing and banding help influence customer behavior. To remain competitive, companies must be able to choose strategy that best suits their service type, market condition, and customer characteristics. Furthermore, regular price evaluation and the adjustment are crucial for business service that grow. Thus concludes my presentation on pricing strategy in service marketing. I hope this material provides the clear picture of how companies determine price for the service they order. Thank you for your attention everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.